So students, welcome to Code with Pabitra. Today in this lecture, I will show you how to solve the patterns within less than 5 minutes. So you can name this technique as a ninja technique. Yeah, because as a fun. No, because this technique will let you to solve any kind of patterns, complex, beginner level, intermediate level, anything within just less than 5 minutes. So let's get started. So first step, when you will see this kind of pattern, this pattern and this pattern, the first step you are gonna do is that print j. Okay, what? Print j. Just print j. But here is the twist. When you will see this kind of pattern over here, you have to put I. Yeah, so yi, that is a jyi. So this I will come later on. Okay, so for now, for the time being, you have to just put j. You have to just put j over here. So the second step you need to see the is it incrementing or is it decrementing. So we will just go row by row. As we can see, it is incrementing 1, 2, 3, and 4, but it is incrementing now. So we will put j plus plus. What? J plus plus. What? J plus plus. Incrementing or not? So here you can see this is decrementing. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Here it is decrementing. So we'll put minus minus. What? J minus minus. Here it is also decrementing. So j minus minus. But in this case, the it is incrementing. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So j plus and plus. This I will come later. First solve for this patterns. Okay. We have to see two things. First is source point, and this is a destination point. This is a source point, and this is a destination point. Okay, source point and destination point. We can see the source point is fixed. What fixed? It is 1, but the destination point is changing. 1, 2, 3, and 4 means it is not constant. Okay, so since it is not constant, we'll put I over here, and the source point will always put 1. Okay, source point is always 1. And it is what and this is the logic of the for loop. When it is the for loop is incrementing, when it is starting from the it is in an ascending order, means it is starting from the 1 to the ith position, we'll always put this sign. So you can also remember this rule, okay, that you will put this sign when this is plus plus, and this side is when it is minus minus. Okay, so this rule you can remember. It is very helpful. And the inner this is the inner loop. This is the inner loop, and this is the outer loop. Outer loop, we have to see the rows. How many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, and 4. There are the 4 rows. Okay, so since there is a 4 rows, we will just write. So I will start from 1 is then equal to 4 I plus plus. So why I plus plus? We can see that this is incrementing, no? That why I plus plus. So we can try run it. When the loop will move, the I is 1, it will loop through the 1 only. Okay, since j is 1 and I is 1, means 1 to 1. 1 to 1 means what? 1 will print. Next step, I will go from 1 to 2. So 2 will 1 till 2. So 1 till 2. Similarly, this will increment to 3. So it will move from 1 to 3. So 1, 2, and 3. Just simple. So this is the total program. Next program. Next program is, this is an decrementing order. What? Decrementing order. So the 5, it is in a decrementing order 5, 4, 3, and 2. The source point is 5, and you can see destination point is in a variable. It is not a constant. So as the trick I have shown you, we will just write blindly the source point, what is 5, and just simply this rule I will follow. This particular rule I will follow. Since it is minus minus, I will use this sign over here, and it will move till I. Since the destination point is variable, so I will put I over here. And you don't need to worry about the outer loop. Just dry run it. You have to see how many rows are here. How many rows are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. What? 5 rows. Okay. So just you have to simply put I equal to 5, I greater than equal to 1. So let's dry run it. So till I will it means first in a first loop, first iteration, 5 to 5 means 5. Second, it will decrement. So it will decrement. So it will decrement to 4. So 5 till 4 means 5 till 4. Similarly, 5 4 3, 5 4 3 2, 5 4 3 2 1. Then you can see the source point is changing. The destination point is fixed. The destination point is fixed. What is fixed? The 1. So just simply we will, according to my trick, we will write 1 here. Okay. And the source point is I. And is it incrementing or decrementing? Yeah, just write in the comment section. Yeah, I'm waiting. Yeah, I hope you have all understood. It is decrementing. It is what? Decrementing. So I will write minus minus. What? Minus minus. And since and this is also the rows is also decrementing. See, the row value is also decrementing. So the will also decrement. I minus minus. So I will start my loop from 5, because how many rows are there? 1 2 3 4 and 5. So I will start from 5, and I will since this minus minus will so greater than equal to 1, here also greater than equal to 1. So let's dry run it. This I means this will start from 5 till 1. See, 5 till 1, huh? Then again 4. See, 4 till 1, again 3. See, 3 till 1, again 2. 2 till 1, 1, 1 to 1, just one single value. And we'll print J here. So that is just a normal thing, the J that I told you earlier. Now in this pattern, we can see that the source point is changing. I in the destination point, it's a fixed value. What? 6, constant value, fixed value. So according to my trick, what I will do, according to let's just get to my comment section. Yeah, you are correct. It will 6. What? 6. And the source point is I, because it is variable changing. No, it is changing I. So how many rows are here? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 rows are here. Huh. So I will put I is from the 6. Okay. I is from the 6, and I is, see here the I is decrementing. No, the I is decrementing. So I minus minus, and I is greater than equal to 1. So let's try run it. So 6 to 6 means 6 to 6. Then again it will decrement to 5. The 5 to 6 means 5 to 6. 5 to 6. Again it will decrement to 4. So 4 to 6 means 4 to 6. Again decrement 3. So 3 to 6. So 3 to 6. So this is how our pattern works. Now the twisted part. Now the twisted part. Here in this case we can see that the source and destination point is same. 3 3 4 4 and 4. So this loop will control number of rows that we all know, and this will always same. What same? We will always put I over here. Always in this case, always put I. Here also I, here also I. This will always same. Okay, and the J will start from 1. This is greater than equal to J plus plus, and the row is incrementing now. And how many rows are here? 4 rows are here. So I will start from 1, and I will less than equal to 4, and I plus plus. Yeah, so simple. Let's dive run it. So 1 to 1 means 1, again 2. So and this will also get 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So this how the pattern works. And finally, the last pattern. This pattern also you can say it is same. The source point and destination point is same. Okay. So that the trick I told you, always put I over here. Always put I. Do not change. In this case, do not change this in a loop. Okay, do not change this in a loop. Just change the increment and decrement order, because in this case it is decrementing. Okay, so in this case it is decrementing. So j minus minus, and this is greater than equal to I, and this is how many? 5 times. So how many times it will repeat? How many times it will repeat? 5 times, na? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 times. So this particular show how many times, how many times it repeats. Okay, keep it in mind how many time it repeats. And this for outer loop always determine the how many rows are there. How many rows are there? 5 rows are there. So I is better than equal to 5, and I is starting from 1. I is starting from 1. So this is the total program. Let's dive on it. 1 to 1, 5 to 1 means how many time it will move. Sorry, and this I will be plus plus. Okay, so how many 1? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 1 get printed. 5 1 get printed. A second step, this will 2. Okay, and this will go to 4, decrement to 4. So how many 2 will print? 2, 2, 2, 2, 4, 2 will print. This will get increment to 3, and this will decrement to also 3. So how many times? 3 times. 3 times 3. This will also increment to 4, and this will increment this will increment to also 4. So how many? 4 4. So this is how our full pattern get works. So I hope you have gotten clear idea, and this pattern I will also run each program I will run and show you, but this is not in this lecture. But I have the another lecture that you can get in the I button or in the description box or in the playlist of my pattern series or in ICC and ISC playlist. So from there you can get watch. I hope you have you have find this helpful. This how to solve any kind of pattern numbers program for your exam. And I hope this video get helpful. If you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and the like button. Thank you.